The 5 Whys technique, uncovering root causes. Welcome, project managers. Today, we're diving into a powerful problem-solving tool, the 5 Whys technique. This simple yet effective method helps you drill down to the root cause of any issue, preventing recurrence and improving overall project efficiency. The 5 Whys is straightforward. When a problem arises, you repeatedly ask why until you uncover the fundamental reason behind it. Typically, 5 iterations are enough, but the key is to keep asking until you reach the core. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine a project deadline was missed. Our initial problem statement is, the project deadline was missed. First, why was the project deadline missed? Answer, because a key task was delayed. Second, why was the key task delayed? Answer, because the assigned team member was waiting on information. Third, why was the team member waiting on information? Answer, because the information was not provided promptly. Fourth, why was the information not provided promptly? Answer, because the data was stuck in another department's approval queue. Fifth, why was the data stuck in the approval queue? Answer, because the approval process was unclear and lacked prioritization. Through this process, we've identified the root cause, an unclear and unprioritized approval process. Addressing this issue will prevent similar delays in future projects. Notice how the initial problem, a missed deadline, was merely a symptom. The 5 Whys helped us move beyond surface-level explanations to uncover a systemic issue. The 5 Whys technique offers several benefits. It's easy to learn and apply, requires no complex statistical analysis, and fosters a deeper understanding of problems within your team. It also promotes collaboration. Involving team members in the questioning process can lead to more comprehensive and accurate root cause identification. While powerful, the 5 Whys has limitations. The outcome depends heavily on the knowledge and persistence of the individuals involved. It can also lead to a single, potentially narrow, line of questioning. Consider supplementing it with other problem-solving tools for a more holistic approach. The 5 Whys technique is a valuable addition to any project manager's toolkit. By consistently asking why, you can uncover the true source of problems, implement effective solutions, and drive continuous improvement in your projects. Start using it today to enhance your problem-solving capabilities.